Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated wallpapers. From big name interior brands to artisanal printmakers, today's wallpaper designs continue to impress with seemingly boundless creativity. We really are spoiled for choice with a huge range of papers on offer, celebrating pattern and color. Whether you're after a restrained splash of color on chimney breast or you're looking to spice up your entire living room with floor-to-ceiling florals, there's fun to be had in choosing your perfect paper. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated wallpapers available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the wallpapers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first wallpaper in our list is the NuWallpaper. This beautifully floral wallpaper will surely create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. It readily adheres to any smooth, flat surface, making it ideal for DIY projects. As for the size, it measures 216 by 20.5 by 0.03 inches and weighs 1.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the NuWallpaper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Non-sticky. The NuWallpaper is non-sticky and leaves no residue on the walls. Easy to install. It's easily repositionable while installing. Tactile feature of white ink. The tactile feature of white ink against a periwinkle backdrop gives the impression that the blooms are bursting onto your walls. One roll. It comes on one roll that measures 20.5 inches wide by 18 feet long. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's only available in 2 colors. The second wallpaper in our list is the HaokHome Wallpaper. This boho flower plant bouquet design with soft spring colors and a watercolor look makes this print so lovely and appealing. It goes with most house designs and is a perfect choice for home decor ideas. In terms of size, it measures 118.11 by 17.72 by 0.08 inches and weighs 12.8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HaokHome Wallpaper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Grids and measurements. The backing paper has grids and measurements that you can easily cut to fit your needs. Easy to install. All you need to do is to simply peel and stick. There's no need for water, paste, or a mess. Textured material with a matte finish. It's made of textured material with a matte finish that's long-lasting, washable, repositionable, and washable. Variety of styles. The wallpaper is novel in design and has a variety of styles to choose from. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the textured wall or dirty surface may impact wallpaper stickiness performance. The third wallpaper in our list is the Erfoni Wallpaper. The stripe peel and stick wallpaper will adhere easily to dry, flat surfaces. The classic stripe and black and white color scheme can give your home a more contemporary feel. As for the size, it measures 118.1 by 17.7 by 0.02 inches and weighs 7 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Erfoni Wallpaper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High-quality vinyl. This product is made of a new high-quality vinyl that's less likely to tear and has a greater waterproofing effect. High-density waterproof film structure. Its surface is covered with a layer of high-density waterproof film structure that's waterproof and oil-proof. Easy to clean. It's easy to clean, all that's required is a cloth. Most up-to-date detachable adhesive. The wallpaper uses the most up-to-date detachable adhesive, making installation and disassembly a breeze. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is advised to buy enough rolls at a time to ensure they're the same batch. The fourth wallpaper in our list is the Tempaper Wallpaper. The Tempaper Wallpaper is a high-impact, simple design choice that's perfect for both homeowners and renters. It's committed to using materials that are created in the United States. In terms of size, it measures 198 by 20.5 by 0.13 inches and weighs 1.54 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Tempaper Wallpaper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to install. To apply, peel away the backing to expose the water-based adhesive. Press onto a smooth surface and align the pattern from panel to panel. Type A or fire rated. It is Type A fire rated for flame spread and smoke development. Repositionable. The wallpaper is repositionable, which makes it very easy to get your placement exactly how you want it, even if it takes a few tries. Peel back liner. You can peel back 3 to 4 feet of the backing using the peel back liner. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is make sure to use rolls from the same dye lot to avoid color variation. The fifth wallpaper in our list is the Roommate's Wallpaper. Roommate's white herringbone woodboards peel and stick wallpaper lets you add a natural look to your walls without breaking the bank. This design, inspired by nature, adds dimension to any flat surface with little to no effort. As for the size, it measures 198 by 20.5 by 0.01 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Roommate's Wallpaper a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to install. Simply cut the peel and stick wallpaper to size, remove the backing and stick to any smooth, clean surface. Pull off the wall in full sheets when it's time to redecorate. No sticky residue or damage is left behind. Doesn't require any water or paste. It doesn't require any water or paste for application. Adjustable paper. The paper can be adjusted if you don't hang it quite right on the first dry. Covers just over 28 square feet. Each roll of wallpaper covers just over 28 square feet, making it an excellent choice for anyone new to wallpapering. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not recommended to use it on floors where there will be foot traffic. The sixth wallpaper in our list is the Abliwaper Cream White Wallpaper. This wallpaper is milky white with some creamy yellow and warm light, which is different from normal ivory white wallpaper. It measures 0.79 by 15.75 by 0.79 inches and weighs 8.8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Abliwaper Cream White Wallpaper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Thickened, wear-resistant, and waterproof PVC. It's made of thickened, wear-resistant, and waterproof PVC that prevents the furniture from eroding. Self-adhesive and removable. The wallpaper is self-adhesive and can be removed without glue. Multi-purpose. You can use it to make your cabinets, bar counters, and room walls appear better and give your home a new look. Grid lines. The backing paper has grid lines on the back for easy measurement. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, there's a peculiar smell when you open the package. The seventh wallpaper in our list is the Abyssaly Wallpaper. The Abyssaly Wallpaper has a solid color that gives any room a more sophisticated look. It measures 118 by 15.7 by 0.2 inches and weighs 8.4 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Abyssaly Wallpaper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Measure and cut grid. The black wallpaper has a measure and cut grid on the backing paper, making it easy to cut and adhere to any size bedroom wall. PVC lamination film process. It employs a PVC lamination film process to officially prevent stain adherence. Easy to clean. Simply wipe with a wet towel when cleaning. Easy to remove. The wallpaper can be easily removed because it's peeled and stuck, so it'll not damage your wall or leave a residue when removed. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not heat resistant. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated wallpapers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next wallpaper roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.